The inflation number are out, and since they're out, Bitcoin has dropped significantly here to the downside, even though we saw here an immediately bounce back to the upside. But is this only a short-term bounce right now that we are experiencing, and is there more downside to come? That is something that I'm gonna cover today, so you should definitely stick around for that. And don't forget, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel if you think this content is interesting for you, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out then on these important updates. So, and without any further ado, we go here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 1 hourly chart, as we can see, once the inflation numbers came out, which are 9.1%, the highest in 40 years, which is actually crazy. We have seen here that Bitcoin got first of all rejected at the 0.786, which coincided with this big massive move to the downside, and moved here all the way down to $18,900 approximately, but saw then an immediate bounce back to the upside. So, and when we have now a look here at the volume, the follow through from the bulls is not that convincing down here actually. We saw here a massive volume candle to the downside. So, but now only small green candles, so buy pressure back here to the upside. So, and what I would like to see to confirm that this is actually a legitimate bounce back to the upside is that we see at least a volume candle like this here on the 1 hourly or on the 4 hourly chart. Otherwise, this could be a temporary bounce where we go now here sideways and then actually drop even lower. So that is a scenario that we should definitely keep in mind for now. So, but I also want to remember you guys that I still don't believe here on the 4 hourly chart that we will actually drop lower than $17,400. We were also not lower than the second low, so that could have been now the third low for this triple bottom pattern that we are anticipating here in this move, because we can clearly see we had here a move to the upside. So then we had here another move to the downside. Then we saw another move here to the upside. Another move now to the downside. So, and now I'm waiting for another impulse move to the upside to complete this triple bottom pattern. So if this is not the case, if this is not happening, and we are not coming up here to touch the upper resistance of this bear flag that I've also shown yesterday with a target of $11,800, so, and we actually close the candle underneath that bear flag, like I said yesterday, that gives us the opportunity to open a big short position, because then we will actually head lower, and then this triple bottom pattern could get invalidated. So this is also still in the cards, guys. So we have to see what the market is doing. When we look at the indicators, however, on a stochastic RSI, so we are here already on quite a high level. So we definitely need a move above $20,400 and actually stay there in this last leg on a stochastic RSI. If we don't get it, then chances are increasing that we are rolling over here, getting momentum to the downside, and then also break this bear flag to the downside. For now, it's not confirmed yet, this break, so but we are really close to it, and we have to pay attention here. Also, when we look on the EMA ribbons, so they have flipped also into a downtrend again, and actually retested the ribbon as resistance, which is also a bad sign in the immediate short term. So, but I before I go, I want to show you quick what for a potential trade we can take here in the immediate short term. So for this, I look at the stochastic and also on the moving averages. So here you can see we want to roll over again and create here potentially soon another sell signal. So, and that would then confirm this bearish scenario where we actually roll over and go lower. And also here on the MACD, here is right now a buy pressure coming in. So, but this could also just faking out and rolling over. So I'm actually looking for a short right now, a really quick short, nothing that I keep long for a long time. And also on high leverage, I'm gonna open this, and I will target more or less $19,000 on this move to the downside, potentially with 25x or something. Guys, don't do this if you're not experienced. I was quite successful in the last couple of days doing this with even higher leverage on multiple trades that I also shared on my Telegram channel. So definitely be careful when you use that kind of leverage. But if you also want to trade these kind of trades, then definitely go to a Bybit. You still get $4,450 if you sign up with my specific link here, and also on BitGet you still get $4,163 in bonuses and 15% discount on your trading fees if you use my specific link here under today's video in the description and also in the pinned comment below, guys. I also want to show you something else. Even though if we drop now lower, this doesn't have to be a bad thing, because here on the higher time frames, on the macro structure, we are so close to get here another P-cycle bottom, which has never failed in Bitcoin history. So once the green line here dips under the red line, we are still sitting on the red line. Once we're getting under it, we will get another P-cycle bottom signal, and that will show us that we have hit the bottom. A week later, once the weekly candle is closed and it is confirmed, there was the bottom. From there we only go upwards. That's also something where I'm waiting for to open actually long positions, and this could be as soon as this weekend already. So if we drop a little bit lower and we get here the green line under the red line, then we get the flash of our P-cycle bottom signal. So, and then by Sunday, when this weekly candle is closed, we have the confirmation that this was actually the bottom. So, and yeah, that will be a nice thing, because once this signal is flashing, it still gives you a lot of time to get in here and to position yourself for this next leg to the upside over the next couple of weeks and months for the Bitcoin price. Guys, I also want to point out really quick, if you want to make money, no matter if the market goes up and down, up or down, with my paid signals group, guys, we are still crushing it every day there. Just ask my staff for the results. They will give it to you, and contact them here on this specific Telegram link. Only on this link. We will never message you from our side. You have to write us that we contact you, so beware of the scammers out there. So, and they will give you all the results, all the info that you need to join this group. But I will actually close this group really soon to only keep quality people in there. So definitely make sure that you're gonna join really quick before I close temporarily this group, or join the free and the free group that I have, where I share all my trades, or most of my trades that I'm doing in real time with every member of this free group. The links are in the description and in the pinned comment below. Guys, that's it for today's video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow I will be traveling, so I'm not sure if I will be able to do a video. I will travel to Greece. I own a nightclub there, so I go there for the first time to visit my investment that I made there. So please bear with me if I am not able to make a video, but I still gonna try to actually make one. Otherwise, follow me on Instagram, crypto 2_Alex, also the only profile that I have with over 400,000 followers there, to see what's going down on this Greek island and in my club. So other than that, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then in the next one.